In this video, you are going to see how to create slicer in Excel for the interactive dashboard. Let's get started. To create the slicer, let us select the data range and press Ctrl T to create a table, and make sure the My Table has headers has checked and click on OK. Then it will be converted into table. Now go to table design and you will find an option Insert Slicer. And here you will see all the column names. Now select your desired column to make the slicer. Let us choose the department and click on OK. And here you will see I have the slicer. Let me reduce its size. If you want to change the style, you can change it from here. Now click on admin, then the data of admin will be filtered. Let us click on HR, then the HR data will be filtered. If you click on over here, then the filter will be cleared. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.